TCH, a trigraph. We're going to learn a trigraph today and a trigraph on Wednesday. A trigraph, trigraph is a Greek word. Tri means three, graph means something that's written. So in this case, it's 3 letters that makes one sound. A trigraph is 3 letters that makes one sound, such as today's trigraph is TCH. You don't hear the T, really. I mean, technically you kind of do, but the CH is predominant. You hear the CH. The T is, we can call it silent. We can call it silent. I mean, T is has 2 different sounds, and one of those sounds is a stop. It's just a stop. So your tongue is going to the top of your mouth, and it just stays there, like in the word pretty. It's just a stop where the airflow stops and then it's released. Instead of spitting it out like spit, it can be just a stop sound. Pretty. We're not pretty unless we're using a different dialect. So in TCH, it could be that T is just making it stop sound, but that is the beginning mouth placement for the CH sound. So they just blend to one, they're together. So all you hear is ch. It's a silent sound, so there's no vocal cords being used, no vibration in your voice box, only air, just ch, just a breath coming out. And for spelling, I just love this lesson because it's just, it's so handy, it's so common, and it is so consistent. It's a good rule that you can count on, which we just cling to those because in English they're kind of far and few between. But this one you can pretty much count on. You can take this one to the bank. I hope I'm okay in saying that. I can't think of a word that breaks this rule. I could, yes, I can. Oh, automatically, I can think of a word that, I can think of a few words that break this rule now that I think about it. But it's for the most part, you guys, it is pretty consistent. So the spelling pattern is TCH follows a short vowel sound. So in your spelling, and you're spelling a word like match, you can have a CH choice or a TCH choice because they say the same thing. CH and TCH say the same thing. So your choices could be MACH or MATCH. You're going to choose the longer spelling after a short vowel sound. So the longer way to spell the ch sound is that TCH, the full trigraph. That follows typically a short vowel sound, like match or hutch or stitch, scotch. Do you see how all of those are, think of a short E one, head, no, that's for Wednesday. You can see match, hutch, stitch, and scotch are all short vowel sounds that are spelling the ch sound with that TCH. Here's a couple of rule breakers that I thought of when I was at the very beginning, when I was thinking if there are any exceptions to the rule. And yeah, there are, and they're actually really common words. I'm thinking of such and much. Rats. Rats, they break the rule, but is there any others? Maybe. There might be, but this is a pretty consistent spelling pattern that you can count on for the most part, okay? So when you're spelling when you're spelling a word with a short vowel sound that has a ch after it, spell it TCH, and you'll be right almost always. So that is what we're going to practice today. So when we're spelling today and you hear a ch that follows a short vowel sound, those are all the shorts, then you're going to spell it using the TCH. All right, let me share my screen. All right, so let's do the first one together. Our first word together is borach. Borach. B-O-R-A-C-H. ch. Consonants. B, O, A, ch. Here's that ch that comes right after a short vowel. A. So we're going to spell it with a TCH. The O sound is most often spelled with just a single O. Can that O say O in that spot? Yes, because of the tap 2 rule. There is another vowel in the next 1 or 2 spots, so that O can spell the O sound just fine. A, can this A spell the A sound right here? Is there 2 consonants after it? Yeah, so it can spell A right there just fine. So I wonder if you're thinking to yourself, if you have the question, well, how do I know if a vowel is short or long? Because this follows short vowel sounds. So how do you know if a vowel is short? Here's how you can know. It doesn't say its name. Short vowels do not say their name. So the long sounds are A, E, I, O, U, like acorn, each, ice cream, ocean, super. They say their name, A, E, I, O, U. If they don't, if they say their most common sound, apple, Eddie, inside, octopus, upside down, then they are their short sounds. Sorry, no. Those are the spellings before the TCH. Okay? So long is its name, short is its common sound, most common sound. Because vowels have even more sounds than long and short. We already know that they have schwa sounds, they have R-controlled sounds. There's lots of different sounds that they can make, but the long and short are the most common. So your word is dosage. Dosage. D-O-S-I-C-H. Go for it. And then put it in the Q&A when you're done, please. Dosage. Dosage. And I'm trying to say I like in, inside, include, incredible. I. My mouth is long, wide, and narrow. I. Like excellent, elbow, elephant. My jaw would be dropped a little more. But I is what I'm going for in this word. Dosage. Dosage. Very difficult to discriminate between those two sounds, but we're practicing that so that you can know how to spell them. Okay, well done. So our consonants are D, O, S, I. TCH comes after a short vowel like I. O can be spelled with an O right here just fine because of the tap 2 rule. There's a vowel 1 or 2 doors down. I is spelled with an I right here just fine because there are 2 consonants after it. Dosage. Next. How about gretach? Gretach. Together. G-r-e. Now my jaw's dropped on the e. My jaw is really dropped on the a. So your mouth changes shape from a to e to I. Wide, medium, and narrow. A, I. So first I have a medium, and here I have an a wide. Gretach. You might just go straight for the CH because you've been spelling the ch sound, the CH your whole life, but now you know because you came to class today that TCH is how you spell the ch sound after a short vowel sound like a. A is a short vowel sound, so you spell it with a TCH after it. And then this first sound was an e. Now, can E spell e here? No. because short vowel sounds need two consonants after it, like this one. This A has two consonants after it. This E needs two consonants after it in order for it to say eh, its short sound. If there's not two, make two. Now it can say eh. Gretach. Your word? Flepuch. Eh, my jaw is dropped to medium. Flepuch. Flepuch. F-O-E-P-A-C-H. Flepuch. Flepuch. And for the I'm thinking of upside down, under, upper, uncle, Good, Teresa. Flepuch. So I'm getting a lot of A spellings for the sound. And I love that you know that A can say but it doesn't most of the time. The most common spelling for U is just a regular U. So we always try that one first, and if it works, stop, you're done. And it can work as long as there are two consonants after it, like this. This is for a very specific instance in certain words that we're going to go over in a deep dive in A month. Every A month, we go into when A spells but it doesn't today. Just a regular will be just fine, regular U. Flepuch. There you go. All right, so consonants. F, ul, e, p, ch. After a short vowel is spelled TCH. That's a E. My jaw is dropped medium. But it needs two consonants after it. Now it can say its short sound. Is usually spelled with just a single U. And if it can say stop, you're done. You don't need an A. You don't need anything else. You can say right here just fine as long as there are two consonants after it, which there is. So these two vowels can make their short sound no problem because they each have two consonants after them. Flepuch. Well done, you guys. Okay, let's try getting just a little harder. Besom patch. No, wait. Let me say that again. I read it wrong. Besom patch. So B-E-S-A-M-P-A-C-H together. Besom. That's the that I messed up on before. Besom patch. So consonants. B-E-S-A-M-P-A-C-H comes after a short vowel like is TCH. So E, the most common spelling is a single E. If it works, stop, you're done. Does it work here? Is there a vowel in the next one or two spots? Yes, so it can say E right here just fine. We always start with the most common, which is a O. Can it say its short sound in this spot? Are there two consonants after it? Yes, so it's perfect. Besom patch. Can be spelled with an A right here just fine because of those two consonants after it. You probably had an easier time on that one than I did. That one kind of tripped me up a few times. All right, try this one for you. Grow-pon-titch. Grow-pon-titch. Now don't spell grow like this, even though I know you know how to spell the word grow. That's the word grow. It's not the sound that's embedded in a longer word. So don't rely on your previous memory of words in isolation. That's usually not how you spell them when they're inside a longer word. So it's not even grow, it's go. Go-pon-titch. G-O-P-O-N-T-I-C-H. Go-pon-titch. 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 My mouth is open right here. Go-pon. I'm going to give you that letter right there. Go paw. This is ah. This is ah right here. Ah, like olive. Go pawn titch. I'm getting a lot of A's spelling the ah sound. It can spell ah, but I will tell you exactly when that is. Most of the time it's going to be an O that spells the ah sound. So go for the O first. Go pawn titch. There we go, Teresa. Nice. Go pawn titch. Wait, did I get that right? Yeah. Okay, I don't know. I think there only one person has got this one. Go pawn titch. So let's go nice and slow so that we all understand it. Even though we might not have gotten it perfect the first time, as long as you get it after I explain it, that's all that matters. Okay, you've never spelled these words before in your life. It's the learning, the tools that's important. We're learning how to spell, not how to spell individual words. We're learning the knowledge of how to spell any word. So that's what's most important. So for go, pawn, titch, our consonants are g, o, p, a, n, t, I, ch. Ch after a short vowel sound like I is a TCH. Go. Can O spell the O sound here? Yes, because there's a vowel 1 or 2 doors down. Ah, we go for the most common spelling, which is an O. Can O say ah here? Yes, because there are 2 consonants after it. So this O says O because there's 1 consonant after it. This O says ah because there are 2 consonants after it. And then I is spelled with an I, which can spell the short sound I just fine because there are 2 consonants after it. So there is go, pawn, titch. Now, if you understood it when I did it, count that as a correct. Okay, just do it. We're going to end on an easier one. I want you to spell the word fritch. Fritch. F-r-itch. This is another rule breaker. Rich, darn it. But our word is fritch, which is going to follow the right spelling pattern. Fritch. Fritch. Good job. Nice, Leila. Good job, Rowan. Fritch. Fritch. Yeah, you're getting the I. Well done. Fur. Fur is a consonant blend. 2 letters right here. 2 consonants say fur, like fruit, from, Friday. Okay, it's a consonant blend right here. Fritch. So we have consonants f, I, ch. After a short vowel like I is TCH. I is spelled with an I. Fritch. Okay. So that was our first trigraph. TCH, which comes at the end of words and comes right after a short vowel. That is the, by far, most common spelling of ch after a short vowel. When we come on Wednesday, I'm going to teach you another trigraph that follows the same rules. So if you've come today and you're kind of starting to get it, then Wednesday it's going to even set you up even easier to understand what we're going to learn then, because it just kind of builds on what we just did just now. So congratulations on your new knowledge, my friends. Have a great night being great. See you on Wednesday. Bye, everybody.